Right, up elevator and down elevator. So very much reduced control movements are all that's needed at the speed it's going. 2 cell. It's as far back as it will go. Before I plug it in, let's see where it balances. Yeah, it's not too far off of where it should be. God, I can't stop shaking. Right, we've got a 2 cell this time. Oh, it doesn't feel quite as maniac on the motor. Two cell is enough, just might be better with a 6x3. I think this 6x4 prop is a bit coarse. Three-quarters throttle and full power really don't do much, so I think the prop needs changing. Oh, winds are in a dodgy place. Winds are coming sort of from the flats, which is never good. We get all sorts of weird eddies. As you can see, it's getting banged about. It's not just by poor flying. Definitely better with the weight up at a 3 cell.